this is Allison. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I did a really colorful look. But today we are going to do a tutorial on some Too Faced products. So if you're looking for a really good setting spray and you're really oily, you want to do the Too Faced Peach Mist. Now this is a powder setting spray. I featured it in my last video, but it's really good for if you stay like in a very humid climate like down south, or if you're really oily. Now as far as like primer, I'm really oily, so I'm gonna give you two options for primer. Now my favorite is the Too Faced Prime and Peachy. This is a cooling matte primer, or if you're really oily, you can do the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. Sometimes if I'm really oily, I'll just do it in the nose area and then do my peach everywhere else. But today is an okay day, so I think I'll just do my regular peach primer today. And I said this in another video, but you do want to warm this up in your hands first. This is not a primer that you want to swirl around. You want to press into the skin. And one of my friends asked me, how do you know if you're putting on too much primer? So you always know if you're putting on too much primer because it will start to roll. If it starts to roll, then just take like a makeup wipe and wipe all that off and just start over. Most primers do have silicone in it, so that's one way to know if you didn't put too much on, because the silicone will start to roll when it hit your moisturizer or serum or whatever else that you put on. So today we're gonna feature a foundation. Too Faced has two foundations. They have Born This Way, and then they have the Peach Foundation. So if you want more of like a demi matte, you can do the Peach Foundation, or you can do Born This Way. This is my Born This Way. I'm in maple. I know 1,000 people have reviewed it, but I haven't. So I'm doing it today. And if you guys want to see a tutorial for this colorful eyeshadow, I can do that too. And so I'm going to be using the NYX sponge. It's like this. I got mine at Ulta. I don't know where else they may sell them at, but I got mine from Ulta. Now when you're doing up under the eye, it may be a little bit kind of tedious because it's kind of big. I may have to go back with my small beauty blender. Well, not my small one, but my regular black. Oh yeah, no. I got to go back with my regular black beauty blender. Excuse it, it's a little. We'll just use the NYX one. For the whole face. Oh, let's put a little bit more on. That's a little space.
The small one?
You have the small remote.
What?
You gotta look for it, honey. We got a small beauty blender. It is much better. Oh yeah, I'm one of those people. I make faces when I'm blending out my eyeshadow. So I just want to tell y'all something. I'm a mom of two, so at every tutorial It could be 5 in the morning, 5 in the afternoon. You gonna always see and or hear my children. They ain't going nowhere. And that's just mom life. So the Too Faced Born This Way does come with a pump. I love a foundation with a pump because sometimes I can pour way too much. So I'm gonna go back with the NYX sponge. I do like that it's full coverage. What's wrong, honey? What's wrong? What's the matter? Ooh, I think I messed up my brow. How about better fix it? For the most part, I'm gonna say for the most part, I actually like this. Now, in certain areas, I may have to go back around with my beauty blender just to get in those little. Just to get in those little areas. But it turned out nice. I'll highlight and contour off camera, and then I'll be right back. So this is the finished look, and then this is the milkshake lip, also from MadeUlook Cosmetics. No. So say bye.
Bye.